Hi, just a really quick impromptu video. I just finished spraying the first production group of the IS69 door speakers. They're in their solar drying enclosure. How about that? We've got 4 of the Mocha Bronze, and down here where it's kind of hard to see, we've got screws, and over here we've got 3 white ones, and we've got grills for the Double-Espresso ones, and down there we've got a large panel in white for samples, and white grills and inserts, and Mocha Bronze grills and inserts. So this is the very first production run of these, and they need to sit out here and dry for at least 24 hours, and then I'll take them in the shop, look at them carefully, see how well they actually turned out. By all accounts, during the spraying they look pretty good, and then I'm going to go ahead and assemble them. That's all. See ya.